All hi. So in the video வந்து நம்ம எதை பற்றி பேச போறோம்னா we are going to speak about arbitrage trading, right? So especially when it comes to blockchain developers, decentralized finance, arbitrage trading, flash loan, ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கான்செப்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது as well as இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்கில் செட்டை வந்து லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிறது இட்ஸ் வெரி நெசசரி as well as very skillful skills இதெல்லாம். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் I will explain you how to do the arbitrage trading by taking the flash loans from dYdX, and we're going to swap ETH for Shiba Inu, and we are going to use two decentralized exchanges. They are Uniswap as well as SushiSwap. So SushiSwap வந்து யூனிஸ்வாப்போட ஃபோர்க்கு தான். ஸோ ரெண்டுத்தையும் வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ there won't be big issues in implementing it. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so here is my code. So scripts இருக்கு as well as contracts இருக்கு. So first வந்து contract வந்து பார்க்கலாம். So what is going on inside the contract? So contract basically I have copied this from dYdX flash loan provider, so because it's necessary, like, so the code starts from here. So இதுக்கு மேலே இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே வந்து it's a kind of library. I copied it from the documentations, right? So we are inheriting from the dYdX flash loan. அதுதான் மேலே காப்பி பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோம்ல, that's the thing. And the name of the contract is going to be arbitrage. And we're going to use, as I said, we are going to use two routers, Uniswap router as well as SushiSwap router. Yes, router means SushiSwap and U router means Uniswap. And we are implementing the interfaces, and we are going to initialize the two routers by passing the address of the S router as well as U router. You can see this in config.json. Here you can see I'm just mentioning the router addresses and which we will pass during the deployment. Here you can see we're going to pass while deploying, we're going to pass the router addresses, right? Okay, all right. So and also we are defining an owner state variables, and while deploying this contract, we're going to make ourselves as the owner, and we have the execute trade function, okay, which calls for the flash loan function from dYdX. And what are the parameters we are passing? We are going to pass start on Uniswap, whether we have to start on Uniswap or SushiSwap, so that thing. And the token 0, token 1, flash loan amount, how much we are going to take the flash loan. You can take around more than $1 million, right? But it depends on the profitability. We're going to take the flash loan from dYdX. We have a lot of flash loan providers, Aave, Dodo, dYdX. Because why I selected dYdX means it's very easy to implement, and by the way, it has very low transaction fee. It's around flash loan fee. It's around 1 ETH. Sorry, not ETH. 1 way, right? So this is very, very less. It's negligible when compared to the amount which we are taking as a flash loan. So no need to worry about it. And inside this function, we are checking before balance token 0, because we are going to take the flash loan for token 0, and we are going to encode it into the data. Okay, and we're going to pass it to the flash loan function. This flash loan function is present in dYdX smart contract. So we are calling that contract by passing the token 0, the which token and amount of token that we want, and as well as the data. Inside the data, we are going to encode all these parameters, and we are going to pass it. So what does the flash loan function do is it callbacks. Okay, so we need a callback function, which is the call function, and we are decoding all the data that we have passed, right? And we're going to check whether we have received all the flash loan amount. So how can we check? We're going to subtract balance after minus the balance before, which gives the flash loan. We're checking whether it's equal to the flash loan. If not, we are going to revert the whole transaction. And we have, here comes the arbitrage. Okay, so we're going to use some money right here. So we're going to make an array of length 2. Okay, the first element is going to be token 0 and second element is going to be token 1. So there are two cases. This is for first swapping at Uniswap and then the SushiSwap, and the inside the else statement, first the SushiSwap and then the Uniswap, right? So that's what we're going to do right here, and we're going to call swap on Uniswap as well as the swap on SushiSwap. Let's discuss about the functions. Okay, we're going to pass the path and then the token and then amount. Sorry, token in and then token out. Yeah, here you can see